My name's Brittany Novak.
And I'm Colleen McLean, and we are the owners of Sound Youth Counselling. Sound Youth Counselling is a private mental health practice for youth, and our mission is to support and empower young people. We work really hard to make our services as accessible as we can by partnering with funding agencies. We're in the schools, even leveraging private donations for kiddos who can't afford counseling on their own.
We started Sound Youth Counseling because we recognized the need in the town of Parry Sound and surrounding communities. We started about a year into COVID, which ideally is not the best time to start up for businesses, but it was the best time to start up for what we were doing. Like, these kids needed people to talk to. You know, a lot of the public agencies in town were not offering that face-to-face service that we were willing to offer in those times. Like I said earlier, we went and met these kids in the community wherever we could find space just to give them that service. Like, youth find it very difficult to connect with people virtually. Like, it's just, I even find sometimes me talking to someone virtually over the phone is tough, and I need that face-to-face connection. We saw that need, we took it, we jumped on it, and we went for it. Now we have a physical space, which is awesome. But another big piece that we've noticed in the town of Parry Sound was the wait list, like the gaps in service. At Sound Youth Counseling, we don't necessarily have a cutoff. Like, we have someone as old as 25, 26 that we're working with because we want to be inclusive of those transitional years.
Yeah, I think mental health support needs to be accessible.
Yeah.
And it needs to be timely. And when you need it, you need to be able to access it. And we have an active caseload right now of 90. We do have a wait list. We're in the process of recruiting for another counselor. We were confident enough in the practice that I'm full-time now with Sound Youth Counseling. So we've grown in a year and a half tremendously, from both being part-time with other jobs to building it and looking for more people. And we know there's a need because we're seeing it every day.
If we were to win the Founder's Choice Award, we would be able to do more of what we do best, which is counseling. Anybody who starts a business, they realize how much truly goes into it, which is a lot of things that we don't exactly have expertise in. We are good at counseling. That is what we need to do more of, given our wait lists, given the demand right now in this town. So if we did win this award, it would be awesome because we'd be able to hire other people, like for marketing, for accounting, things that we aren't very super savvy in, because right now those are things that we're doing ourselves, and that takes away from the one-to-one time that we get with our kiddos.